Welcome to Ionkwateweienhstonhatie Lesson 15. Today we're going to be looking at locatives, which conveys the location of an object.
So the four basic locatives that we're going to look at are in, on, next to, and under. In the language, what you do is you add a suffix onto the noun. So whatever your noun would be, you would add agu or agu, age or ne, or akta or ogu, depending on the noun.
Atere giga. Atere. So when you add agum with atere, to say inside the basket, asero ateragum. Ateragum. And now to add atere, dano age, to say it's on the basket, aterage. Aterage. And then next to the basket. So atere, dano akta. Akta meaning next to. Aterakta. Aterakta. Now to say under the basket, atere, dano ogu. Ogu meaning under. Aterogu. Aterogu. Atere, ateragu, aterage, aterakta, aterogu.
Otnerokwa giga. This is a box. Otnerokwa, dano agu, otnerokwagu, in the box. Otnerokwagu. And then to say on the box, you would say otnerokwage. So otnerokwa and age, otnerokwage. Next to the box is otnerokwakta. Otnerokwa, dano akta, otnerokwakta. And for under the box, you would say otnerokgogu. Otnerokwa and ogu, otnerokgogu. For over here, we take away the W because in our dialect, we don't have the KWO sound. So, otnerokgogu, under the box. Nyawadi was a wadarordaga skatni in Ionkwateweienhstonhatie. What's done to the wadatka? Onigi wahi.